Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. Today we have a full house wash, roof, driveway, sidewalk on the schedule for today. Supposed to get some pretty bad storms this afternoon, so hopefully we can get everything knocked out this morning and be on our way. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there is a rainbow right up in the sky right there. Should be a good sign for a good day. All right, we'll see you at the job site. Hey everybody, okay, so here we are at the job site. Let's go ahead and do a walk around, see what all we have today. We got sidewalk, driveway, pretty green. We're going to do a house wash. We got all the gutters up along here. We got to paint it, walkway up to the front entrance. That driveway's going to come up nice. All right, and down along the side here, this little AC pad. Very nice house right here on the golf course. Got this sort of walkway back in here. Pool deck, pool screen. Yeah, pretty bad down along here. We'll get the screening and all done. Pool deck starting to get green. Paver patio out here. And a walkway that goes down to the entrance. But that's about it. Here you can see. Should be able to see that. That green that's on those screens. Wow. Yep, yeah, you can see it that way. All right, so anyway, that's our job for this morning. Let's get it done. Let's get after it before it starts to rain. Supposed to get heavy thunderstorms this afternoon. All right, that's it for now. We're just about done here, just hitting that last piece, but it's getting ready to thunder and lightning here, so I'll take you through a quick walkthrough, see how it turned out. That's very nice. Driveway, front walkway entrance. All down along the side. Yeah, so much better. Oh yeah, look at that. Big difference. Big difference. Down along the side here. We got these pavers, the walkway down below. Yeah, it's getting ready to pour here now. All right, well, it's everything here. Place turned out really good. Another satisfied customer. She's thrilled. But These guys are out here. Probably a rain delay for these guys on the course, but anyway. All right, that's a wrap for today. We will